This is the Aplom Tea Tree and Lime Skin Toner, and this is not just a mere toner but a miracle in a bottle at just 170 rupees. This has helped heal my adult acne. These are my before videos, and this is me right now at the moment, and this is my skin with consistent usage for 2 weeks. And I just couldn't keep this product any longer, so I'm telling you guys about this one. This is such a bomb product. Not just that, if you have darkness around your neck, elbows, knees, and armpits, you need to try this. I tell you this, throw away those expensive products that you use to lighten your knees and underarms and your darkness around the neck and stuff, because you should try this. And yes, for the acne, this is best when paired up with the aloe vera gel. I use this together, especially at night. I will just spray this on my face, and if this feels a little strong for you, take a cotton pad and